To all of you, my dear children. Greetings from Icon School of Excellence. I am Aditi, your teacher. I am here to teach you all language Hindi for the grade 1. I wish all of you are safe, doing good, and ready to learn. I am going to share you here my PPT. So, children, what did we learn last time in the session? We learned about swar. Fine. And how many letters were there in the swar? They were 13 in number. So, let's start with an activity that is Gati Vidhi. So, here I am taking the poem. I want all of you to sing with me. Fine. Speak after me. A से अनार, आ से आम, याद हो गए फलों के नाम. Speak after me once again. A से अनार, आ से आम, याद हो गए फलों के नाम. What is the meaning of these two lines? It is saying that A से अनार, pomegranate, आ से आम, mango, याद हो गए फलों के नाम means anar and aam because they are fruits. By learning a se anar, a se aam, we are able to learn the name of the fruits. Fine children. Next line is E se imli, E se eek, देता अक्षर हमें नई सीख. What is the meaning of these two lines? That E से इमली tamarind, बड़ी E से ईख sugar cane, देता अक्षर कौन सा अक्षर which अक्षर E और बड़ी E हमें नहीं सीख. So these letters E they teaches us a new lesson. Hope you understand this poem. Once again speak after me and learn also this poem. Fine children. A से अनार, आ से आम, याद हो गए फलों के नाम. ई से इमली, ई से ईख, देता अक्षर हमें नई सीख. So now I am going to start with the revision part that we have already done. Punaravriti, revision. What do we call Hindi alphabets in Hindi? It is called Varanmala. Same like English alphabets, same in Hindi alphabets are called Varanmala. Varanmala again I am writing here Swar or Vyanjan. Swar means, yes, I told you last time, Swar is vowels. And what is the meaning of Vyanjan? Vyanjan means consonants. Fine children? Good. वर्ण ध्वनियों को सुने. वर्ण ध्वनियों को सुने means the sound with these letters you have to listen. Fine children, so speak after me. Swar, vowels. Swar. What is the name of the first letter in the swar? Speak after me. A. A से अमरूद. Amrud is guava. So can you able to hear the sound with the word Amrud? Amrud. A varan is the first letter. So that's why here is the picture of Amrud. Here you can see Amrud is guava. Fine. Second varan in the swar is, yes, who will tell me? It is A. A se aam, mango. Next varan is E. E से इमली, tamarind. Next varan is बड़ी E. बड़ी E से ईख, sugar cane. Next varan is U. U से उल्लू, owl. or chota u also we call it. Fine. Like badi e is called e also. Same, this varan u is also called chota u. Next varan after chota u is oo, and this is called bada u also. Fine children. बड़े ऊ से ऊन, wool. Next varan is ri. Ri से rishi, sage. Fine. After ri comes a. Which varan is this? A. A से ad. A से ad, heel. I. I से ainak, spectacles. After I comes O. O से oakley, mortar. After O comes Au. Au से औरत, woman. Next varan is Ang. Ang से अंगूर, grapes. It can be green also, purple also. Fine, but they are called angur. And the last is aha. Can you see here is no example of prataha, namaha. This is the correct way here, that there is aha, aha akshar khali. Fine. So repeat after me. A से अमरूद. आ से आम. ई से इमली. ई से ईख. ऊ से उल्लू. ऊ से ऊन. री से ऋषि. ए से एड़ी. आई से ऐनक. ओ से ओखली. औ से औरत. अंग से अंगूर. aha है खाली अक्षर. Fine children. So last session what we learned to write, how to write these letters. Fine. So today my topic here is that we will discuss is चित्र देखकर अक्षर के साथ मिलान करो. What is अक्षर? चित्र means picture. देखकर means look at the picture. अक्षर is what? These letters, varan. Fine. के साथ मिलान करो. मिलान करना means match. So you will match the picture with its letter. Fine. It is very easy and interesting. But I want you to tell that here only 4 examples I am taking. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pictures are here. Maybe pictures can be more in the book or in the classwork. But what we can do, that's why, and there with the picture you can easily draw a line. Suppose first picture is, who will tell me which picture is this? This is the picture of Ullu. And what is the first letter in the Ullu? Who will tell? What is the first varan in the word Ullu? Yes, here are the 4 varan. Here is E, here is O, here is U, here is Au. So match the picture with its letter. So here in this picture, this is Ullu, owl. And where is the first varan for the word Ullu? Yes. Is it this? No. Is it U? No. Is it U? Yes. So you will match the picture with U. You say Ullu. Fine children. But what I am doing here, from the beginning only and during these vacations, you can easily practice one more thing at home. We will not draw the lines here in between. What you will do, for this picture that is on number 1 and the answer is U, in the corner you will write 1 in the bracket here with U. Fine. Then there is no need to draw a line to match owl with the U varan. Fine. if you will do like this, that time also I will check and I will come to know that U is for this picture. Fine, because 1 is written. Fine, hope you understand. We will practice more on these type of things. Next picture is the picture of woman. Fine. What do we call woman in Hindi? That is aurat. Fine. So who will tell where is auvaran? Is it au? No. Is it au? No. This is already done. So is it au? Yes. So au se aurat. You can draw a line, but here I want all of you to do one thing. Again, what I have told you, you will, because this picture aurat is on number 2 position, 1, 2, you will write the number 2 just after au in the bracket. Fine, can you see here? I did not match the picture with the letter, but I write the answer like this. After au, I write the bracket, then I write 2 here, then I close the bracket. Fine? And 2 shows that this is au is the answer of the second picture. Fine? Let's do it. Now the third picture is the picture of eek. Eek is sugarcane. Fine? Sugarcane, eek. So what is the first letter in the eek word? It is badi E or E. Now let's see the letters here. Start from the beginning. Is it badi E? Yes. So you can match eek with E. Fine. But now again I want all of you not to draw a line. What you will do? You will first draw a circle, semicircle, bracket or a small bracket. Then you will write number 3 here because this eek picture is on number 3 position. 1, 2, 3. So all of you will write number 3 in your copy just after badi E and close the bracket. Or you can circle also, no problem. My main focus will be on the number that this answer is for which picture. So number you write here 3 for third number picture. Fine. Now next, which picture is this? This is the picture of Oakley. What is the first letter in the Oakley? It is O varan. So tell me, is it O? No, it's already done. Is it O? Yes. So only one varan is left and that is O. O say Oakley. You can match Oakley with O varan. But I want you again to do one thing. What you will write? Oakley picture is on which number? 1, 2, 3, 4. So all of you will write 4 just after O varan. Fine? Let's take more examples and you will understand how to do. Here is another picture. This is the picture of mango, arm. Fine? So what is the first letter in the arm? What is the first letter in the word arm? A. Okay, let's see where is A. Is it A? No. Is it A varan? No. Is it A? Yes. So we will match mango with A, but not by drawing a line here, but writing the first number here, because this arm picture is on first number. So all of you will write in the circle or in the small brackets 1 here. Fine? Good. Now next picture. What is the name of this picture? This is 1. Fine? What do we call 1 in Hindi? It is A. Fine? So let's see where is A varan. Is it A? No. Is it A varan? No. This is done. Is it A varan? Yes. So you will match 1 with A. How? Again, you can see that 1 is on number 2 position. 1 and 2. So how you will write the answer? You will write number 2 here. That A varan is for picture number 2. Hope you understand it. Good. What is the name of this picture? There, this is pomegranate. Fine. What do we call pomegranate in Hindi? Anar. What is the first letter in the anar? Avaran. So let's see, where is Avaran? Is it a? No. Is it a? Yes. So how will you match it? You will write the picture number after a. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. Anar is on number 3. So all of you will write in the circle 3 here after a. Fine. Next, last picture is here. Oont. Camel picture. What do we call camel in Hindi? Oont. And what is the first letter in the word oont? It is bada oo. So where is bada oo? Let's see here. Fine. This is bada oo or oo. So who will tell me which number we will write here? Tell me. Why number 4 here I write? Tell me. It is written after oo, that 4 will come after this. Why? 4, because camel picture, oont picture is on number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will write 4 after bada oo. Easy? Yes. When you will practice, start matching the pictures with the letters at home also. Easy pictures, practice them, draw the pictures, write the letters on the right side, and when it will be easy for you to write the number for that particular answer. Fine. Hope you understand this topic. Now, my next concept here in related to the स्वर is अक्षर से जुड़ा चित्र बनाओ तथा सुंदर रंग भरो. Fine. So here I am taking only few examples. I want all of you to practice at home these pictures also, and easy pictures like a say anar you can draw at home. Fine. A say am, here is avaran. A say am, you have to draw in your paper with pencil. Like this you draw, then there is this thing, then there is the leaf. Fine. If it is not beautiful also, it's okay for me. Fine. But just practice, draw these pictures in your copy, and you will slowly when you will start drawing these pictures, you will start love the drawing also. Fine. But how, and you will come to know how to draw also for the draw the pictures related to the letters. Fine. It is good. So as say am, draw the picture like this. And here in your copy, rough copy or Hindi copy if you have, then you can draw. You can color also this picture here. What is the color of mango? Yellow color, right? So, and yellow is called peela. So you can fill peela rang here, and green color leaf. Means हरा रंग आप इस पत्ते में भर सकते हैं. ठीक है, पीला रंग और हरा रंग. आ के बाद अब दूसरा वर्ण है ई. After a, I am taking the example of choti e. Choti e से इमली, how you will draw in your copy? Semicircle, again the semicircle, again like a circle. Then in the opposite side you go to the upside, and there is a leaf. Small leaves are here. Fine. So it is very easy. Freehand drawing you can do. Okay. And here you can fill the color brown color. Fine. भूरा रंग आप यहाँ इमली में भर सकते हैं, हरे रंग के पत्ते में रंग भर सकते हैं. Fine. So like this you can draw imli in your copy. After e, next word is oo. Oo से oon, wool. Here you can draw a circle and any line, like you can draw the lines in this pattern, one after the other, one after the other, in any pattern. It not same like this, but any way you will draw, that is okay for me, and a small thread outside. That is called oon, and you can color it with any color. Fine. And after oo, I am taking the example of I. I say ainak. How you will draw I in your copy? First you draw the square. Then here is, it's like a rectangle here, so you can draw two rectangles, join the two rectangles. Then on the left side then on right side again the curve. Like this, you can draw Ainak, or you can make the round spectacles also. It can be rather than rectangle, you can take the round shapes here. Fine. You can color it also, or if you want it to be plain or without color, it's okay. But color it, it will look beautiful. Fine, children. So there are a lot of pictures that you can draw at home and you can color it. After this, time to ask some questions. Khali jagah bharo. Khali jagah bharo. What is the meaning of khali jagah bharo? Fill in the blank. So my first question here is there is this line. Okay, here is written, first question is a blank e blank u. So who will tell me which varan will come after a? Yes, it is a. After a comes a. All of you will write a here. Fine. Then e is already here. And after e, which varan you will write? Yes. Any idea which letter comes after this choti e? It's very easy. Yes, badi e. All of you will write choti e. Uske upar ka, that is badi e. Fine, children. And then u is already there. So like this you will be able to complete this first question. Second part is I blank au blank aha. Fine. Now I want you to tell me which varan will come after I. Yes. When you start reading in the beginning, it will be little bit difficult for you, but day to day practice upon those swar letters means how to write and what is the order, you will come to know. It will be very easy. So here is I. After I, who will tell which varan will come? Okay, suppose you are not able to write this letter. Fine, you don't know which letter will come after I, beginning time, so it is very difficult. How will you write? You will start recalling those swar letters from the beginning. Fine, like you will start with a ke baad which letter will come after a, then e, u, ri, a, I. So here is I. You just stop yourself on this letter I. After I, just try to think in your mind only that after I, which varan will come here. After I, you will see that immediately you will come to know that order, that after I, O will come. So here you will write O. Fine? O. And after O, you will say yes, the next varan is correct. Au. Fine? And after au, immediately the next letter you will come to know ang. So you will write ang varan here, and aha, you will see that already is written. So like this, in the beginning when you will practice, start from the first letter till aha, you will see all letters you are able to write in the order. Next, third part is u is here. Now who will tell after chota u which varan will come? Those who know the answer, fine. But those who still don't know, they will start repeating the swar letters from a. Okay. So let's speak. Just you have to speak inside of you that a, e, u. Now you can see that u is here. After u, which varan will come? Think in your mind. Then you will come to know that yes, after u it is u. Here you will write then bada U. After bada U comes Ri. Ri is already there. Then you will come to know that after Ri, A will come. Here you can easily write A. And next is I. Fine. This is for those who are not able to immediately write the letters. Fine. For them, this is the only tip that they have to speak in their mind that which letter is the first letter and start from the beginning to till end, and you will be able to write all these empty blanks here. Fine. Now let's do the revision, abhyas. So here again I'm taking swar. Speak after me once again. A, e, e, u, ri, e, I, o, au, ang, aha. Fine. Always remember this order. A, e, u, ri. A, I, O, au, ang, aha. Fine, children. And this will be your takeaway, your homework. First thing you have to do is स्वर वर्णों को याद करें. You have to remember all these swar letters, a to aha. And second is अक्षर से जुड़ा चित्र बनाओ तथा सुंदर रंग भरो. This time in your Hindi copy, you will draw the pictures of a varan, a से अनार. So pomegranate picture, anar picture you will draw in your copy, color it nicely. And remember that next varan is angu, ang se angur, grapes picture you draw. O se oakley, mortar picture you will draw in your copy, color it. Badi se eek, sugarcane picture you will draw. But remember one more thing, in Hindi class, what you will do for Hindi homework, anar, angur, oakley and eek, these four pictures should be on the one page. Now you get it? The picture should not be too much big or not too small. Fine, they should be of medium size, and they should, all these four pictures should come on the one page only. That's it. And write the heading also. You can write a se anar, draw the picture. Ang se angur, draw the picture of angur. And shape and size of the picture should be medium. It should not be too small, not too big. Fine, children. Hope you understand this topic. So today we take lot of examples related to the swar, and I hope you all found today's topic interesting, and I believe you were able to understand all that was discussed and explained. Children, most important, I want all of you to revise on what was taught on today's session at least twice and do your homework without fail. I look forward to see you in my next session. Thank you so much, children.